Many people buy books like Bukhari or other religious books and do self-study and preach. We must always get knowledge in presence of scholars, since we can't comprehend things differently. People advice. Sahih. Some people, they buy these big books, Bukhari, Muslim, Abi Dawud, Tirmidhi, Ibn Majah, and they study it themselves. Self-studying is very detrimental because you wouldn't understand the book. You have to study, brothers and sisters, with scholars. You have to take these sciences. And you come into Sahih al-Bukhari and studying it without knowing Nahu, without knowing Sarf, without knowing Ilm al-Bayan, Ilm al-Badi', Ilm al-Ma'ani, without knowing Usul al-Fiqh, without knowing Qawa'id al-Fiqhiyya, without knowing Maqasid al-Sharia, without knowing Aqeedah, without knowing the Tawheed, without knowing without knowing Mustalah al-Hadith, Ilal, without knowing Ilm al-Rijal, without knowing so many things are a must before you even come to Sahih al-Bukhari. You see? So if you just jump into these books, brothers and sisters, you definitely are going to come with things that are very strange, things that are weird. Why? Because you're going to be like a person who ripped a page out of a book. And all the time when he's asked a question, he's got this one page that he's holding on to. And knowledge is not like that. This deen is tadarruj. It's done in sequence. And there's books you need to memorize. There's books that you have to understand. It's in a chronological order. You don't jump one book from the other. And all of this is being tested. It's being put into the test. And scholars were produced from it. And they set these curriculum. It's like saying someone who's in primary school is reading university books. And what is he going to come out with? It's going to be awkward.